everyone, welcome to day 18 of the 30 Days of Sketches with Lisa, Pink Glitter Scrapper, and Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life. I am playing along on Thursdays and I am doing obviously today's sketch. Today is actually Thursday the 18th. I don't know, I thought I had done a voiceover for this and apparently I didn't. So let's get to it. So I'm still using my November Secret Not Secret Kit Club kit, and in this kit I got this die cut and it had a bunch of circles and the sketch had a bunch of circles, and so I thought, hey, it works, I'll use this. So I am taking all of these papers, and again my November kit is based around the Echo Park Fashionista collection, so it's a lot of blacks and whites and pinks and kind of like a coral color almost, and teals. And so I am just kind of selecting the placement of where I want these papers to go. I'm going to back all of the paper, or all of the die cut circles, with different papers, scraps from my kit. And I'm just trying to plan them out here. And so I'm going to go off and do this off screen because, wow, that could be totally boring, right? So the big black piece was actually like an acrylic sheet that was from Bella Boulevard. I can't remember, I think it's called a placemat. Let's see if I can pull it out real quick. It's Bella Boulevard Color Chaos Invisibles, and it's the Amore one. And it feels like a placemat, like it's a really kind of thick, like acetate almost sheet. And so that's what I chose to put in a few of the little circles. Now this picture is a picture of my husband and I from this last summer. We were at, there's an amusement park near us. It's actually in Green Bay. And it's very reasonably priced, so we decided to take the kids one day, and we were waiting for the bumper cars, and it was really hot, so we were standing inside under the shade, so we decided to take some pictures. And I really loved that photo. Like, we were having a really good time, so it was fun to use. And now I pulled out all of these stickers. These are not from my kit, these are from my my stash, and I'm trying to pick some ones that would work well kind of with this, you know, because we love each other, so kind of a love theme. So I'm just going to try out a few of these different stickers, and I'm not sure if any of these ones actually end up on the layout. These are Fancy Pants, one of their collections. It was like their Valentine's one from maybe last year, and I'm drawing a blank on what it was called, so I apologize. And I have all of these Valentine's Day stickers. I had gotten a like Valentine's Day pack from peachycheap.com, and so these just came in. And this is the thicker words or whatever that came with the Hazelwood collection. I really wanted to use this Lucky in Love, but you could not, it wasn't readable. It's too light, and so it doesn't end up working, but I really wanted to, so maybe I'll create a layout just so I can use that. Now, if you haven't already, you should definitely head on over and check out Christy's video and Lisa's video as well. I'll have them linked down below. They have created some amazing things, so you definitely want to go see what they have in store for today. I'm not sure if anybody else joined in this week. I know there are some other guest designers that are choosing some days throughout the week. Christina Sorge usually comes in on Fridays, and Heather from Heather's Crafty Life, she has been playing along as well, so you can see what they have done with different sketches. I'm not sure if they're doing today though. So I choose a sticker, and it is from the We Are Memory Keepers Crush collection, and I think it says Crushing on You. I can't read what it says, and I'm sorry, I don't have the layout. I don't know where I put it. So anyway, I picked out that sticker, and then I did actually pick out 2 of the puffy stickers from that Fancy Pants Valentine's Day collection. And I think I'm going to use a couple of these puffy hearts. Those are American Crafts. And I don't want anything like too bright pink or too Valentine's-y. So I'm just going to use a couple of these puffy hearts. And I'm covering up the circles that are completely white that didn't have a cutout in the center. I'm just adding, I'm going to add little bits to each of them just to kind of, you know, make it more busy because it's not busy enough yet. And I just keep going through this stuff trying to figure out what I want to use, if there's anything special. Like this gold heart that came from that Hazelwood thicker set. I think I pull out a couple more. These are chipboard, so I'm trying out a couple more on here. And I'm just going to keep slowly picking through and trying to decide what exactly I want to do. So here I've gone through my stickers and kind of laid them out. I just skipped ahead for you guys because it took me, this whole layout took me about a half hour to complete, and a lot of it's just me moving stickers around. So I figured I could cut some of that out for you. I did add that Forever, that is a Heidi Swap epoxy. I don't know, is it epoxy? A little word sticker. And so I like to read it as crushing on you forever. And then I'm just using some black cardstock and backing my photo just to make it pop a little bit and stand out from the paper that was behind it. And we're coming to the end. I can't think of anything else I really add here. So I just want to say thank you so much for everybody who's watching my video. I am planning on having more consistent videos coming up starting in February. I actually have gotten a schedule together, so you can, if you enjoy my videos, please hit the subscribe button and then you won't miss out on any of those. Oh, here I did add a white border around the back of my photo as well, and then I'm going to pop it up on some foam. But I just want to say I appreciate everybody who takes the time to like and comment. It really means a lot to me. So I know I'm not gonna be able to monetize my videos, but I'm not making this for money. I'm making this more for myself, so I'm okay with that. So yeah, I think I might just peruse one more time just to see if there's anything else that I want to add, because I do have a couple of blank spaces, but I don't think. Oh, I think I do add some of these word stickers, and these are from the Hello Love collection by Crepe Paper. I think that was it 2 years ago now? That's one of my most favorite collections ever, so I was super excited to get more Hello Love stuff from that Peachy Cheap thing. I did add those lips down at the bottom there because I thought they were cute and they work out really well, so I'm just going to add a little sticker there, and then I add one more. And I think that's going to be it. So thanks so much for watching. I will see you again next time. And don't forget to go look at Christy and Lisa's layouts. Bye!